In this video, we are going to discuss on how to integrate trigonometric functions. So here are the following equivalent integrals or integral for each of the trigonometric function. So for sine x, the integral of sine x dx is negative cosine x plus c. So again, don't forget that we have to add c, where c is a constant. So here are the equivalent integrals, for equivalent integral for each of the trigonometric function. And okay, so here is an example. So given we have to get the integral of the function 3 secant x tangent x minus 5 cosecant squared x dx. So to do that, so we are going to apply yung mga theorems kanina that was discussed sa other video natin. So 3 is a constant, so we are going to put out 3 sa labas ng integral sign. Okay, nasa labas na siya. So, naiwan ang secant x tangent x dx minus, of course, yung 5 din, ilalabas natin. So, andito na ang ating 5. Okay? And then, after that, we are going to get, given the equivalent integrals kanina na pinakita ko, so the equivalent integral of secant x tangent x is secant x. So, we have 3 secant x. And then, yung cosecant squared x dx, ang equivalent integral niya is negative cotangent x. So, and then, we will simplify this one. So, ang sagot natin, ang answer natin ay 3 secant x plus 5 cotangent x plus c. So, the integral of this given is this one. Okay? Next naman, this is our next example. So, given this one, okay, so ito ang ating given function sa loob ng integral sign. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is, we will separate, since we have a binomial sa taas, sa numerator natin, we can at isa lang, at monomial naman ang ating denominator. So, we can separate it into 2. Okay, so ito yung first. Okay, yung 2 at saka 3, nilabas na natin. So, andito na sila sa labas ng integral sign. So, naiwan na lang sa loob ay naiwan dito, sineparate natin yung cotangent x and sine x. So, ito yon, cotangent x and over sine x. And then, yung negative 3 sine square x over sine x. So, andito naman. Okay, again, yung constant 2 and 3, nilabas na natin sa integral sign. Okay, now this one, hindi ko siya directly na ginawang cotangent x over sine x. Because I have to rewrite this, I have to get its trigonometric identity. Okay, I have to get its trigonometric identity para magamit ko yung equivalent na integral niya. Okay? So, that is, ang 1 over sine x, ang identity niya, trigonometric identity, is cosecant x. Cosecant x. So, I'm going to multiply it sa cotangent x dx. And then, this one naman, so we can simplify this one since dalawa ang sign natin sa numerator. So, we are going to, so to simplify this, since dalawa yung sine x natin sa taas at isa ang sa baba, so we can eliminate this one. So, sine x na lang ang naiwan. And then, so, there is a there is an equivalent integral for cosecant x times cotangent x dx. Kaya I have to get its identity, or else wala akong makikitang equivalent integral for cotangent x over sine x. Wala. Kaya I have to get its identity, ang identity ng 1 over sine x, which is ang cosecant x. Okay, so with this, so nakita natin, based sa binigay nating equivalent integrals kanina, that this is equivalent to negative cosecant x. And then, of course, the integral of sine x is negative negative cosine x. Okay, so this is our final answer. So since this is negative cosecant, kaya naging negative 2 cosecant x, and then minus 3 times negative cosine x, kaya naging plus 3 cosine x siya. And of course, don't forget the plus c. Okay, next example naman is ito ang ating given. Okay, tangent squared x plus cotangent squared x plus 4. So, isa-isahin natin yan. Ayan. Kukunin natin isa-isa ang kanilang integral. Ayan. And then, so, there is no equivalent for, dun sa pinakita kanina, sabi ko, walang equivalent na integral ang tangent squared x. So, we have to rewrite this one. So, we have to rewrite this one and we have to get its identity. Okay, trigonometric identity. So, ang ginawa natin, isa sa mga trigonometric identity niya is this one. Secant squared x minus 1. Okay? Same as sa cotangent squared x. Wala din siyang direct na equivalent integral. So, we have to rewrite cotangent squared x. Maghanap tayo ng trigonometric identity na pwede natin gamitin. So, ito yon. Ito yung kinuha natin. Cosecant squared x minus 1. And then, yung 4 naman natin, since it is constant, so we can put it outside of the integral sign. Kaya ito na lang na iwan, dx na lang. Okay? And then, let us have, okay, ayan. So, yung kaninang negative 1, okay, yung kaninang negative 1, tsaka negative 1, pwede natin yan silang i-add dalawa, kaya andito na sila. Negative 2, okay, negative 2, tapos integral of dx. Okay, kasi in-add natin yan silang dalawa, so that's negative 2. But of course, we still have the integral of dx, kasi may kasama silang dx. Okay, and then, ayan na, so secant squared na lang, cosecant squared dx, and then of course the 4. And then we can already get its, okay, itong dalawa, sinimplify natin since pareho silang constant, at yung nasa loob ng kanilang integral sign ay parehong dx. So, pwede natin silang i-add, no? So, we have negative 2 plus 4 is positive 2. Okay? Plus 2, positive 2. Okay. So, sinimplify natin. And then, after that, we can get its equivalent integral. So, ito na yon, mga equivalent nila. Okay. And then, don't forget the plus c.